the best shoofly pie recipe in history. When it comes to classic American desserts, few can hold a candle to the delectable delight that is shoofly pie. With its rich, molasses-infused filling and crumbly, buttery crust, this beloved treat is a taste of history that has been passed down through generations. In this video, we'll not only share the ultimate shoofly pie recipe, but also dive into the fascinating history of this iconic dessert. To truly appreciate shoofly pie, it's essential to understand its historical roots. This unique pie has its origins in the heart of Pennsylvania Dutch country, where it was developed by the Amish and Mennonite communities in the late 19th century. The name shoofly pie has an interesting backstory. The word shoo-fly comes from the Pennsylvania Dutch dialect and is derived from the phrase schwartz flei, which translates to dark fly. This name likely references the molasses in the pie, which attracted flies, necessitating the need to shoo them away. Hence, shoofly pie. The pie itself emerged as a popular, inexpensive dessert during a time when resources were scarce. With its simple ingredients and distinct, robust flavors, it became a beloved staple for many families in the region. The recipe's simplicity and the way it showcased the richness of molasses made it a cherished favorite, ensuring its legacy would live on. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. The ultimate shoofly pie recipe. Now that you're acquainted with the history of shoofly pie, it's time to roll up your sleeves and create your very own. You'll find that the process is both straightforward and rewarding. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients for the crust: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, cold and cubed, 1/4 cup ice water, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Ingredients for the filling: 1 cup molasses, 3/4 cup boiling water, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 egg beaten, 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup light brown sugar, 1/4 cup unsalted butter melted. Instructions for the crust. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour and salt. Add the cold, cubed butter and blend it into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Slowly drizzle in the ice water and mix until the dough comes together. Form the dough into a ball, wrap it in plastic wrap, and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. Instructions for the filling. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. In a medium mixing bowl, combine the molasses, boiling water, and baking soda. Allow the mixture to cool slightly, then stir in the beaten egg. In another bowl, mix the flour, brown sugar, and melted butter until it forms a crumbly topping. Assembly. Roll out the pie dough on a floured surface and place it into a 9-inch pie dish. Pour the molasses filling into the pie shell. Sprinkle the crumb topping evenly over the filling. Bake in the preheated oven for 10 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and continue baking for another 30 to 35 minutes, or until the pie is set and the top is golden brown. Allow the pie to cool before serving. Enjoy your homemade shoofly pie with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for the perfect finishing touch. Shoofly pie is a slice of American culinary history that continues to captivate our taste buds to this day. This humble yet delicious dessert has been cherished for generations, making it a quintessential part of our culinary heritage. So the next time you're craving a taste of tradition, whip up a shoofly pie and savor every sweet, molasses-filled bite, knowing that you're indulging in a delicious slice of the past.